It is indeed a great honor and privilege to be here in this occasion to receive the Innovation Excellence Award as part of Rise Up Business Summit 2021 organized by the Junior Chamber International. I am representing Virtual Connect, a digital entity completely managed and professionally run by Vigro Forest Foundation, which is a Niti Aayog registered NGO in India. And we have taken the mission of reforestation, giving special emphasis to urban forestry activities all throughout the country. So, in fact, the specialty of our NGO is that we are a professional entity. We are offering products and services to corporate, business houses, entrepreneurs, individuals, and we are heading towards enhancing the green economy in the country. So the digital platform of Vigro Forest Foundation is Virtual Name Connect, and the entire profit that is being raised by the digital platform is exclusively used for our activities, especially the reforestation activities. Vigro Forest Foundation is specifically targeting on reforestation activities, and Virtual Name Connect is creating products to ensure that the trees are saved through its digital products, which is replacing the traditional business cards and paper profiles. Here we are deemed to create a behavioral change in the society at large. We are creating customizable digital cards, digital profiles, enterprise directories, etc. to ensure more information sharing and network beyond the boundaries. The pandemic has taught us the need for social distancing. We are trying hard to revive our economy slowly after the pandemic situation. So it is high time that the entrepreneurs and business houses turn more of digital to network more and for better connectivity. Our digital products are fine-tuned to support the entrepreneurs, the passionpreneurs, proprietors, along with corporates and the big entities as well. We can offer customizable products to suit the best needs of our clients, and moreover, we are offering green consulting services to ensure sustainable business practices and to ensure green economy. This will help in raising the goodwill of the concern and will help them with the better funding opportunities as well. We believe in the Japanese concept of arigato, that is being grateful to everything around us. With our green consulting services, we try to imbibe this concept to the corporate people so that they feel more responsible and happy to give out the good green share back to the environment. We are also creating green co-working spaces in the cities which can be used for budding entrepreneurs, corporate employees, etc., which is helping in ensuring wellness in their professional as well as their personal life. We are also creating lush, rich fruit tree forests through the CSR funding from corporates and donations as well, which paves a green platform for corporate green events and other celebrations as well. We are also creating green charging zones in the cities, which is fully managed and maintained by Vigro Forest Foundation, wherein people can dwell in to feel the serenity of the nature and breathe free. We ensure that our activities are focusing on the overall wellness, physical, psychological, emotional, social and spiritual wellness of the people, and also for reviving the green economy of the country. We are organizing national and international conferences, seminars and workshops throughout the year, and we create digital learning platforms to educate green consciousness among people at large. All our activities are focused to generate the green good deeds and enhance the green economy of the country. We are happy and feel proud and completely privileged today that our sincere efforts are getting recognized and appreciated in one of the most prestigious platforms, that's the Junior Chamber International. We are extending our wholehearted gratitude for this award, and definitely it's an encouragement to go ahead with our Go Green initiatives and making the country sparkle much greener. So I'll just take you for a quick view about our Vigro Forest Foundation. Can we have the slides, please? Just a quick review. So as we said, it is an NGO. It is a Niti Aayog registered NGO in India, and we are here to empower people and organizations through reforestation, giving more specific importance to urban forestry activities in the country. So we are coming up with a lot of good green deeds to the country, and we provide sustainable consulting services to the corporates and business houses as well. So we are actually trying to bring a revolutionary change to change the behavioral pattern of using less usage of paper and switching more into the digital media. So that's the reason why we have a creative digital platform, that's a virtual name connect, which is coming up with the digital products which include digital business cards, digital portfolios, enterprise directories, etc., which will help you more in networking and in connecting across the borders. So who we are? We are actually a forum of women formed to share an urge to recover the nature and bringing back greenery to the cities. So we believe in arigato, that's a Japanese philosophy of being grateful to everything around us. So whatever resources we are taking from the environment, we make it a practice to give it back to the environment in the form of greenery. So we help in the sustainable business practices. We Grow Forest Foundation is closely revolving its activities in order to attain the sustainable development goals as put in the UN. So we are out of the 17 SDGs, we are here to fulfill sustainable development goals, specifically 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 11, 13, 15 and 17, which is more of bringing in greenery, no poverty, food for all, peace and clean environment. All these sustainable development goals are covered as per our activity. So what is the impact that we are giving to the environment and the biodiversity? So we are actually creating sustainable business practices, and we are providing better employment spaces. We are coming up with green co-working spaces for the corporates as well as for the entrepreneurs who can actually use the facilities in a better way that is going to enhance their productivity. So we are having strong partnerships with the national as well as the international organizations in this regard, and our core focus areas. We are concentrating more on the environment, the climate change, the sustainable living, the community outreach, the green consciousness and digitalization. So how do we make a difference? So with respect to the afforestation projects, we are creating green charging zones. We are promoting more of the biophilic infrastructure. We are more into agroforestry, community planting, biodiversity nurseries and environmental directories. With respect to digitalization, we have a range of customizable digital products through our virtual name connect. That is a digital business card, digital marketing materials, digital directories, digital invitations, digital biodata and digital membership cards. With respect to the educational affiliations, we are closely associating with the schools and educational institutions. We provide green consulting services to entrepreneurs, passionpreneurs, business houses and corporate houses as well. We are entering into geo partnership with the organizations. We have an exclusive e-magazine, the first of its kind for the exclusively for related to forest and reforestation activities. That is, we name it the Sound of Forest. It is a monthly e-magazine that is being circulated all around India and internationally. And we promote the green events through providing eco-friendly gifts as part of the program. And we have a lot of nature activities. We have a club that is We Grow Forest Club, which is giving more emphasis to soft adventurous activities, which includes trekking. We encourage people, especially the women folk, to spend a day in wood. The main purpose is to de-stress them. We work all throughout the country by forming chapters in each and every area so that we ensure that our activities reach every nook and corner of the country. And the completed and ongoing projects, we are having we have done fruit tree driving planting drive that was taken along with the Gandhi Jayanti celebrations, and that is almost completed. And we have the mission, Green India Mission 2023, that is we named it as the Seeds of Change. That is we are closely associating with the Government of India with the Green India Mission, and our campaign we have named it as the Seeds of Change. We are creating green charging zones We have started our work in the Undinu temple as well. Tree forests and herbs and forest green being created in the temple premises of Undinu Devi temple. We are reviving greenery through park renovation project in Shastamangalam, and the upcoming project, we have started it off in Mumbai, that is a Green Mumbai project. We are doing it along with the Maharashtra government. So the ongoing programs, we are into green entertainment, that is we are encouraging soft adventurous activities like trekking, women in forest. We create seed balls and we share it among the people who go for trekking so that they can sparkle the seeds during the activities. We are into green consulting. We are main client in Mumbai is a Home Seva Trust, and we are into a lot of education and affiliated activities. We are coming up with a Green Yatra, where it is a drive through India by a group of people to create awareness on sustainability and eco restoration, that is to be initiated during December 2021. So the completed works for the year 2021, it included annual photography awards. We are coming up with a National Green Award ceremony that is to be hosted in New Delhi during February 2022 to acknowledge and appreciate the green efforts of entrepreneurs and corporates in the country. And we are coming up with a international conference on sustainability and ecosystem restoration, that is also being a venue in Constitution Mark of India in New Delhi during February 2022. So we are inviting each and everyone present here to associate with us. You can be a member of the WeGrow Forest Club. We invite you to create chapters in order to take our activities further across the country. We are having WeGrow Forest internship programs, and the digital platform where we excel with the digital products is the Virtual Name Connect. So how can you possibly help? You can possibly, being members of the corporate society, can possibly donate your CSR funds for our activities. You can obviously help us with the fundraising activities. You can become a partner, you can become a club member, you can become a volunteer, you can join in a chapter, you can form a chapter, you can share our stories on social media. And finally, yes, we do grow forest. Thank you. This is a digital platform, that is a virtual internet. This is our product, that is the Infy card. It is actually acting as a mini website which will have a repository of all your personal and professional details. You can share your videos, and it is very easy to sign up. So all your details will be incorporated in this card, all your professional and other details, and along with that you can share your photographs, your videos, etc. And it can be edited and connected on a real-time basis, and infinite number of times. You can share this infinite number of times. So please go digital, change your behavior pattern, because every time you're sharing a business card, a paper business card, you are in fact promoting to cut more and more trees. When we talk about reforestation, it is not about reforestation alone, it is also about the saving trees. When we say save a tree, we are actually promoting greenery into the country, and we are actually enhancing the green economy. So this is our product, that is Infy card, and we are very happy to announce that being a partner with the JCI, we are giving out very introductory offers to all the members of JCI. So we are looking forward to it. Thank you very much for giving us this platform. Thank you so much.